That's a good fish. That's a good fish. In the Northwest. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wilderness Addiction. Today we are at a beautiful mountain stream. There's rainbow and I think cutthroat in here. Yeah, we're gonna do a little fly fishing and hopefully we'll catch something. Oh, that was a fish. Yeah, it struck my indicator. I was looking upstream, so I don't know if you guys saw it. Okay, so there are fish in here, and it tried to take my indicator or something beside it. So I might change to dry flies. It's been like 15 minutes. I had one other strike at my bobber. So I put 2 dry flies on. And then a little ant pattern. So 1 ant pattern and 1 little like elk ear caddis parachute Adams looking deal. And I think we actually might get something on here. I mean, that's kind of the idea, so I don't know why else I would put it on, but I'm feeling good about it. So oh, I had one. Let's go. I threw down to that deeper, faster water, and right at the end of the run I had a bite. Another one. That's great. That's 2 in a row. All right, guys, I don't know how exactly. Oh, I caught one. Yeah, I just dropped my fly in to start the video, and well, there you go. All right, caught him on the ant. Just a little rainbow. Well, there you go. I caught one. Didn't mean to, though. Honest, if I'm gonna be honest, that was not what I was trying to do right there. I just flipped it in the water. There we go. That was good. Nice. Just a little guy. That was on. Oh, it's all tangled up now. That's a shame. Looks like a rainbow. Just a little guy. But totally tangled up all my flies, so I'm gonna have to pick you guys up after I untangle it all. Nice, guys. This is my biggest one. Looks like it kind of got snagged on the tail when it went for my fly. That's why it fought a little harder. Now, nice little fish. That is number 4. Alright, guys, that is definitely my biggest fish yet. Probably a little around 8 inches. Right in, can't really see, but right in the corner of his mouth. So I'm gonna get it out and release him. We got people letting their dogs out right beside us on the river, so that's real neat of them to do. Don't be that person, by the way. Just don't. Nobody likes them. Oh my gosh, that was huge. I think I might be able to zoom in on that right when he tried to take that. That was a big fish. Like, Definitely the biggest one I've seen here. That was probably 12. There, boom. Can't let this get off. It's a nice fish. 10 or 12. Oh yeah. There we go. Good fish, good fish. Good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys off. Look at that. Look at that. It's a great fish. Boom. Right there. Alright, wet your hands off. Alright, there we go. Definitely tangled all my lineup, but it's alright. Alright. Look at that, guys. Great fish. Total golden color. Beautiful fish. Great fish. Alright. Get an underwater release. Alright guys, we got a decent fish here. It's not as big as the other one, but I think it'll come in second. Did he just swim over to the shore? Looks like he did. Okay. Oh, there you go, guys. Right there. Alright. And clean release. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be a wrap. Yeah, I caught like 30 fish. But good day of fishing. We caught a lot. We caught a big one. Some underwater footage, everything. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see more of, less of, whatever. Just comment down below. And see you next time.